don't even know what day it is. Oh my god, my camera's about to die. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Changed the battery. Exciting start to the day. Don't mind my hair. I woke up to this package. Guys, I have been waiting for this. It's Vanessa Myricks Beauty. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. I've never tried them. I've never tried their products. No. We're gonna open it together. I am so fucking excited, you have no idea. Yummy Skin Glow Serum. That looks so nice. Hello? Yummy Skin Blur and Glow Primers. Ooh. I am so excited to use these. You guys have no idea. I need to post this on my Instagram story immediately. We just got coffee from my cousin. I love when she's working. She works at one of our favorite coffee shops.
I got the craziest drink, bro. It's got like fucking dried Skittles and rainbow shit in it. This can't be good for me. So good though.
I told her to surprise me with yummy coffee with cold foam, and this looks delicious. It's passing the color test. There's hair on it because my blanket. Let's try it. She put hazelnut in it, that bitch. No, I'm just kidding. It's actually really good. It's very nutty though. It's actually good though. Thanks, Hannah. Okay guys, so we ended up getting Taco Bell for lunch. And I really wanted to try the new little sliders. Look at, oh my god. Oh, it fell apart. It's so small and baby cute. So we're gonna eat some Taco Bell. Trevor's gonna try these for you. They're so cute. Oh my god. Aren't those good?
The queso's really good too.
Oh my god, you guys, I literally haven't even updated you in so long. I did my makeup. What do we think? Still not sure how I want to do my eyebrows, so I've kind of been like delving in little different options. Also, I'm watching Trevor's stream right now. That's what the sound is in the background. But it's 7:15 and I haven't even started dinner yet, so I need to make dinner right now. I'm kind of running behind today, but like I feel like it's all working out how it's supposed to and when it's supposed to. Did you hear Trevor screaming? Watch. Yeah, it's always delayed. But yeah, I decided to do makeup. I don't even think I said that. I did like trying to do perfect makeup. So this is my take on a perfect glam. And honestly, I think perfect is subjective. I hate the word perfect, but I think this is pretty damn close. So now I'm gonna go make some chicken noodle soup. And cheddar bay biscuits, bro. So let's go. Okay, on the menu for dinner tonight, I'm sorry the lighting is super bad and you can see down my scary dark hallway, is Red Lobster cheddar bay biscuit mix. No biscuits. The only thing is I didn't get cheddar, so Parmesan bay biscuits. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna start the soup first. We're making chicken noodle. We're gonna try something new. I'm shooting through the mirror. Hi. Time to take off my makeup, although it's so cute. Also, Trev is running me a bath right now. I just downloaded all of my TikTok, all my footage for TikTok onto my phone. So I'm literally going to edit while I take a bath. I have this little glass thing from a candle that I just put all of my jewelry in. Peach and Lily.
Can it go in the bathtub?
What does it say on it?
Avion liquid lavender liquid soap. And it said hands and body.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, I just realized the mirror's fogging up. Yeah, you can't really see shit, but I'm about to wash my face. Okay, hi guys. I don't know the last time that I've updated you. But Trevor and I are going to bed now. Oh, wow. Love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog.
He's trying to get a new spot.
Okay. Love you. See you tomorrow.